going?
Good. This is the place to be, huh?
Oh yeah. How many guys?
We got 6 in the car.
$18.
All right, buddy. Hey, thanks, guys. We'll see you. Have a good day.
Oh yeah.
Are you video recording?
Oh, yeah. All right. Hey, guys.
Right on. Howdy. What's your name, my man?
Shane.
Shane. Let's get you fitted for this here life jacket. You know it.
All right. Hey, thanks, buddy. Appreciate
Right on.
it,
When you
man.
guys are done, just drop it back on.
Sounds good. We'll do. You guys ready in there? Haley, all set to go?
Like knocked my breath out. Oh my god. Shaney.
Wow, that's cool.
You like it?
Yeah. Let's go again.
All right, let's do it again. Let's go.
This one's for American Parks.
Here we go.
Oh,
What do you think?
Yeah, good time. Yeah. Definitely recommend. If you're ever in this area, think slippery sliding rock.
No shout out to Barb?
Thank you, Barb Drake, for recommending this place. It's a lot of fun.
Oh, it's chilly when you hit that water though, right?
Yeah, the first one was hard because it was such a shock, but then like the 6 after were easy.
Got about 55 degrees on the water temp. 8 feet on the bottom when you hit,
Yep.
and speedy ride down the rocks as well. But pretty cool.
Yeah, it was really fun. Really fun.
Not too many people here. Expected bigger crowds.
Yeah.
Everybody's having a good time. Smoky Mountains. First day. Off to a good start.
Yeah.
Let's go have some more fun. What do you say?
Hey. American Parks.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. American Park.